Refworks is an online research management, writing, and collaboration tool that is designed to help you easily gather and store the sources you find. It can also be used to create citations and bibliographies. Essentially, it makes organizing your research and creating your works cited page a lot easier. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to set up a Refworks account, how to add an article to Refworks, and how to generate citations. When accessing Refworks, new users will need to create a username and password. You can access Refworks from the library website with this icon down here at the bottom. So again, first-time users will need to create an account. You will enter your Lynchburg email address, and once you've verified that, you can create a password and get set up. All right, so this is a populated Refworks account. I've got quite a few articles in here, so let me show you how to import an article. Coming back to the library homepage, we're going to use the library catalog one search. I'm looking for articles on my research topic. And you can see the very first one here is an article. And let's pretend I've gone through the process of reading it and I've decided I want to save it to my account so that I can access it later and also that I'll be able to cite it later. You can see there is a button for Refworks. If I click that, yes, export to the newest version. And as long as you are logged into your Refworks account, it should automatically send it over. I'm not going to worry about folders right now. So it's importing, and we've saved it. You see it appears here at the top of your list. All right, so what about articles that don't come from a library database? You can also save articles that you find out on the web with the Save to Refworks button. So to get that button, go to Tools, Tools again, and you'll see the Install Save to Refworks. You'll be prompted to add it to your favorites bar. You can see I've already got it up here. So let's see it in action. All right, so again, searching for articles on the same topic. And I'm pretty happy with this first website I see, so I'm going to go ahead and save this one so that I can reference it later. So Save to Refworks button. And yes, please save the contents of this web page so I can easily get back to it. And then Save to Refworks. Again, I'm not going to worry about folders. Import. And it is now in my list along with the one I just did. All right, so we've got some articles here for writing our paper. Now we want to create our bibliography. We can do that really quickly. You select the articles that you want to use, create bibliography again, and there we go. You can see that I have mine set to APA, but there's a big list of different styles that you can choose from. And then you could copy and paste this right into your works cited page. There's also a way for Refworks to play with Google Docs, and we'll talk about that in another tutorial. So for now, if you have any questions about how to set up an account or how to use Refworks, schedule an appointment to chat with a librarian.